The concept is surprisingly simple. All you need to do is take a single clove of garlic and drop it into your toilet bowl before going to bed. As you sleep, the garlic releases its natural aroma, which comes from something called allicin, known for its antibacterial and antifungal properties. These compounds work to neutralize odors, leaving your bathroom smelling much fresher by morning. Not only does the garlic mask unpleasant smells, but it also contributes to a more pleasant bathroom environment overall. This can be particularly helpful if you have guests over or want to maintain a consistently inviting atmosphere. Plus, using garlic as a deodorizer is an eco-friendly alternative to chemical-based air fresheners, promoting a healthier environment for you and your family. So, if you're looking for a natural and cost-effective way to keep your bathroom smelling fresh, consider giving the garlic in a toilet trick a try. However, the benefits of garlic for the bathroom do not stop there. If you've been battling stubborn yellow stains in your toilet, here's a surprising yet effective solution: garlic tea. This unconventional household hack harnesses the natural cleaning properties of garlic to tackle those unsightly stains. Simply peel and crush or chop a few garlic cloves, steep them in hot water for around 15 minutes, and then pour the garlic tea into the toilet bowl, ensuring it covers the stains. The garlic's sulfur compounds, known for their antibacterial and cleansing abilities, work their magic, breaking down and lifting the stains without the need for harsh chemicals or scrubbing. Not only is this method eco-friendly and safe for your plumbing and family, but it's also a cost-effective way to maintain a spotless, stain-free toilet. Say goodbye to yellow stains and hello to a sparkling, clean bathroom with the power of garlic tea. The combined cleaning and odor-busting properties this tea boasts will ensure you have not only a clean, white toilet bowl, but also any nasty aromas will be a thing of the past. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to clean a toilet with vinegar. Thanks for watching and bye for now.